Sounded great. Good shot. That was deluxe. Good shot.
Kick right. Kick right.
Kick right.
Okay.
You'll be staring at it.
We'll see.
You might have a kick kick.
I think so.
Nice easy wedge.
132 middle, 16 front.
I don't need to crush it. I'm just gonna get it.
Yeah.
Fall up the bunker face. That would be awesome.
A little thin.
Feeling about that drive, Pete.
It was a good drive.
Yeah.
That was a great
We're still
drive.
walking to it.
Who do you credit your good swing to?
Travis Scott. Yep, Travis Scott. He told me, hold the club like a bird. And then he said, you might have killed the bird on that one, and it stuck with me. So I'm not trying to kill the bird anymore.
I love it.
There's the 100 marker, by the way, just so you know.
Don't pull out any measurement device. It's 100. This is not a trick.
This is my 100 club.
You see some of these average golfers will pull out the GPS right there.
Get up.
A little right, a little tree. Oh, the tree got me. Darn. Okay. Can you see the flag, QB? Can you see it? Here's your line.
Very nice. Get in.
Beautiful.
Is it in?
Wow. Wow. That was
Good.
professional, dude. I need to do that the first time.
The bird dogger. This is Hoagie's third birdie putt, by the way, for those keeping track.
Get there. Get. Nice roll, man. Damn. Kaplunk. Ooh, toilet bowl.
All right, I gotta make this for Sandy.
Got it.
Sandy it is.